your video missing the black bars to be more cinematic? Stay with me, I'll show you how to make it. Okay, here we are in Premiere Pro. We have here clip, but cinematic black bars are missing. First thing that we gonna do is create adjustment layer. Put it over our video, stretch it to the end of the video. Next step is from effects, we are gonna use crop effect. Put it on adjustment layer, and in effect controls, in crop effect, we are settings top and bottom at a value of 11.9. You can use whatever you want for value, but for me this looks good enough. And basically that's it. One thing that we can do is animate the black bars by playing with keyframes. And if you wanna more videos like this, consider subscribing and see you next one.